Good morning everyone. Standard 7 Mathematics. Chapter number 4 Simple Equation. So first we are going to start this main point this chapter. First, the standard from the line equation in the one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a, b are constant and a not is equal to 0. An equation is a mathematical statement equating two quantities. A statement that contains the symbol equal is called equality. Examples: x minus 1 equal to 5 and 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. The equality sign shows that the value of expressed to the left of the side, that means LHS, and is equal to the value of the expressed to the right of the sign, that means RHS. Solving an equation of finding the root or the linear equation means finding the number that satisfies the given equation. This number is also called root of the equation. The rules of equality for integers a, b and c. 1. If a is equal to b, then b is equal to a, changing side. And if a is equal to b, then a plus c equal to b plus c, adding same integers on both the sides. And if a is equal to b, then ac is equal to bc, multiplying same integers on both the sides. So here main point here completed. So now we are going to start the workbook. So workbook, we are start the question number 4. First, write the equation from the following statement. So here C1, the sum of the number x and 6 is 16. Sum, that means here plus. X plus 6 is 16, that means here write x plus 6 is equal to 16. Same type, 5 subtract from a, that means a minus 5, is 12, that means is equal to 12. 3 times b is 5. 3 times b, that means 3 by b is, that means equal to 15. If you take any 5 from 2 times y, that means 2 times y, that means 2y, and take away, that means minus 5. From get 7, that means is equal to 7. 1/5 of a number z means 3 gives 1. Z, 1/5 number z, that means z by 5 minus 3, that means minus 3 gives 1, that means is equal to 1. 4 times m plus 5, that means 4m, 4 times m, that means 4m, and plus 5, that means plus 5 doing gives you 17, that means equal to 17. If you take away 3 times a, that means 3a, from 8 take away, that means minus, so 8 minus 3a, you get 20, that means equal to 20. If you take away 3 times b from 10, that means same, 10 minus 3b, and you get 1, that means equal to 1. Now question number 5, write the following equation in statement from. So first, 3x minus 1 equal to 11. So here what write? Subtracting 1 from 3 times x given 11. Then 5x plus 3 is equal to 23. So here write the sum, here plus doing, that means sum of the 5 times x, 5x, and 3 is 23. X by 2 minus 1 is equal to 15. So here write subtracting 1 from half of the number of x given 15. X by 3 plus 2 is equal to 22. So 1/3 of number of x plus 2 is 22. Then t by 6 is equal to 23. So 1/6 part of t is 23. 5 minus 6 is equal to 9. That means subtracting 6 times m from 5 is 9. Now question number 6 says check whatever the value give in the bracket is the solution to the given equation or not. So here say x plus 5 is equal to 15. Here x value give x is equal to 10. That means where x give you write the 10. That means x plus 5, then 10 plus 5. Here 15, here also 15 is equal to 15. So here the solution to given equation or not. So here equation 15 and 15 same answer come. That means it one equation. Same, x minus 3 is equal to 4. Here x is equal to 7. That means 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 4. That means this one equation. Now third one, x minus 1 is equal to 5. Here give 4. To 4 minus 1, here 5. 4 minus 1, 3, and here answer 5. That means this one not equation. Question number 4, 2x minus 1 is equal to 9. Here x is equal to 5 give. So 2 into x, that means 5 minus 1. So 5 2 is a 10, here minus 1. So 10 minus 1, 9 is equal to 9. That means this one equation. 3x plus 1 is equal to 13. 3x, that means 3, and here x is equal to 4, that means 4, and plus 1 is equal to 13. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. And 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 13 is equal to 13. That means this one equation. 5x minus 2 is equal to 13. Here x is equal to minus 3 give. So my x, and here minus 3 and minus 12. So 5 3 is 15 and minus, that means minus 15. Minus 15 and minus 2, minus minus plus, that means minus 7, because greatest number is minus. Then 13. That means this one answer not met. That means this one not equation. The next question number 7 says set up an equation in the following cases. So here only equation make a pen cost twist of an eraser. The pen and the eraser together cost 39 rupees. Take x to the cost of the eraser. So here x is equal to an eraser, say a pen cost twist that an eraser. So eraser x twist, that means 2x, and total rupees give 39. That means equation what makes x, that means eraser and pen 2x both are cost total is 39. Now question number 2 say length of a rectangular is 3 stat of its breadth. Perimeter of the rectangular is 18 meter. Take m to the length of the rectangular. So here length is equal to m give, and breadth, that means here say 3 of the breadth, that means m by third, and perimeter give 18 meters. That means equation what, perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. This one formula first write, perimeter give 80, that means 80 right. 2, length how many m, to m, and breadth how many m by 3, that means m by 3. Now this one completed. Now question number 3 what say, if triangle ABCD, angle A is double than angle B, but angle C is 5 less than angle A, take y to be a angle B. Remember that the sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. So here give B, angle B is equal to y. Here say A, angle A is double than angle B. So angle BY and double, that means 2y. And angle C is 5 less than the angle A. So angle A 2y, and less than, that means minus 5. Now equation what make 3 angles total. The first A, first y, that means 2y plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 180 degree, and this all y total do 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 5. So 5y minus 5 is equal to 180 degree. Now here question number 8, check the which of the following equations satisfy value of x is equal to 3. So first 5x minus 7 is equal to 8. The first 5x, so we know here x we find. The number this side go. 8 and minus 7, so here come plus 7. Then 8 plus 7, 15. And then x and 5 and x here relation, here multiplication. So when y is equal to there come, so here division come. So 15 divided by 5, so 5 3 is a 15 division. So here x is equal to 3 come. Now 3x plus 1 is equal to 19. So here same 3x because we x find, and plus 1 is equal to where come minus 1. Because yes, and then 3x, 19 minus 1, 18, and x is equal to 18 divided by 3. And then 3 table 18 where come? 6. So x is equal to 6. Then x by 3 minus 1 is equal to 5. So first here minus 1, here come plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. And then 3 here division. So equal to here which come? Multiplication. So 6 3 is 18. Then x is equal to 18. Then minus 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 5. So here plus 1. So here come minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1. So minus minus plus. Where greatest number minus, then minus 6 come. Then minus minus cut doing. And 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 divided by 2. And table 2 3 6 where come? 3 is. Then 11 minus 4x is equal to minus 1. So here 4x and 11 here nothing, that means plus. Here come minus 11, minus minus plus, and greatest number minus, that means minus 12. That means minus minus cut doing, x is equal to 12, and 4 division, x is equal to 3. 10 plus 3x is equal to 1, so 3x is equal to 1 minus 10. That means here greatest number is minus, the minus 9, and x is equal to 9 divided by 3 minus. That means here answer 3 9 3 3 is 9, that means minus 3. Same type question number 9, solve the following equation. So 2x plus 13 is equal to minus 7. The same plus 13, so here minus 13 come minus minus plus, and greatest number minus, that means minus 20. And here 2x, so x 2, here division 2, and 2 table 20 where come 10 and minus, that means minus 10. 3a minus 5 is equal to 16. So here we find a, to minus 5, so here come plus 5, 16 plus 5, that means 21. And here 3a, that means 3 division, 21 divided by 3, that means a is equal to 7. Then here minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So here plus 3, here minus comes, 7 minus 3, that means 4. And here x, here minus 2 division, that means 2 2s are 4, that means answer minus 2. Then question number 4, here 15 minus 4x is equal to 3. And 4 minus 4a, 15, here plus, that means here minus come, 3 minus 15, that means greatest number minus, so minus 12. And here a, 4a, minus minus cut doing 4a, and here a is equal to 12 divided by 4, and table for 12 where come 3, so a is equal to 3. And x by 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So here minus 3 where come, that means plus 3. Minus plus minus, 5 minus 3, 2, but greatest number minus, that means minus 2. Then here x by 2, that means here division. So here come multiplication, minus 2 into 2, that means 2 2s are 4, minus 4. There means 16 minus x by 3 is equal to 15. So minus x by 3 is 16. Remember here is nothing, that means this one plus. So here come minus, 15 minus 16, that means greatest number 16, minus, that means minus 1. And 3 here division, so here multiplication do 1 into 3, here minus minus cut doing. So answer x is equal to 3. So today's we are doing only question number 9. And next classes we start the question number 10. Any question then ask me using pencil and clear handwriting. Okay.